Dr. India Charitable Trust has organized a flood relief camp for the Wayanad flood hit victims. In collaboration with different NGOs, they are planning to give these relief items to the flood hit victims. And as we know, the Wayanad, Mudakkai, Churalmala, all these places were hit by devastating floods in 30th of July. Now we will talk to the organizers and know more about it.
एक्चुअली वायनाड का जो फ्लड का इशू हुआ तब से लेकर हम लोग उसके ऊपर ऑब्जर्वेशन में हैं. हमारी जो टीम है जैसे डॉक्टर इंडिया चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है, द लाइट इंडिया फाउंडेशन एंड प्रीमियम फाउंडेशन, ऑल द जो आप देखे हैं, आप कवर भी किए हैं. तो फ्रॉम ऑल दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी प्लान दैट वहाँ पर जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं तो उसको हम लोग वहाँ सप्लाई करेंगे. वहाँ पर लोकल जो टीमें हैं जैसे कि वहाँ की उलमा की टीम है, अदरवाइज़ वहाँ जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं वायनाड में, तो वहाँ चारों तरफ से हमने ऑब्जर्वेशन करके वहाँ पर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो फूड आइटम्स है जैसे राशन किट्स हैं और कपड़े वगैरह का वहाँ सप्लाई अच्छा है, उसकी ज़रूरत वहाँ पर नहीं है. तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि वहाँ क्या चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, तो हमने चेक करके वहाँ पर हमने अभी जो डॉक्टर हुसैन शरीफ साहब ने बताया तो उसके तहत हमने जो है वहाँ पर सप्लाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
We have organized medical and flood relief camp for the flood victims of Wayanad, which is the southern part of our country. We are organizing in Churalmala, Mundaki and Meppadi. These are the three main flood hit areas where we are focusing. This has been organized by Dr. India Charitable Trust, Light India Foundation, Premium Foundation and Motiwala Homeopathy College and other associate partners we can see there. So friends, you know, as in India we have a very less healthcare budget on education as well as on the health sector as well. So now we are going with a team of doctors from Maharashtra, Nasik and Bangalore, Karnataka, and we are going there. We are organizing a medical camps in different places, as I mentioned, Churalmala, Mundaki, Meppadi. So these are the three main places we are going to mainly focus medical camps. We are giving Unani medicines, we are giving immunity boosters, and also we are giving general allopathic medicines as well. With this we are also giving one gas stove of double burner so that people can utilize for the longer time. Those who don't have, those whose families have been affected badly in this flood and landslides, for them we are giving 250 gas stoves. And these we have made one medical kit, one essential kit which consists of sanitary napkins, baby diaper, grape water, nail cutter, antibiotic ointment and some ORS powder we have. So these types of essential kits we are giving. So I request all the people sitting on the couch and telling ke itna saman unko mil gaya hai. Wayanad has received flooded of material in terms of food, not in terms of medicine, not in terms of utensils, not in terms of gas stove. These are the expensive items that has to be given for the sustainable and for the longer duration of the household items. Even we use gas stove, even they need a gas stove. That is why we have decided it. We have coordinated with the local people there in Wayanad, in Churalmala and Mundaki. That is why we have taken these steps. And that's all. We have 4 to 5 days program there. And we thanks each and everybody who has participated in this program. We also pay thanks to all the committee members who has given this opportunity to do these programs. We are highly thankful to each and every individual donor for this respective program.